Imagine finding the perfect gift online at a price that seems almost too good to be true. You're ready to click buy, but a small part of you wonders, is this site actually real? Every day, thousands of people fall for fake websites that look exactly like their favorite trusted brands. One wrong click can lead to stolen credit card numbers or even a stolen identity. But today, we are going to show you how to spot the hidden red flags in seconds. You will learn to shop with a safety-first mindset, keeping your hard-earned money exactly where it belongs. Welcome back to Senior Tech and Money, also known as STM, AI Senior Life Simplified. We help you master technology, protect your hard-earned money, and simplify everyday life. This way you can live with confidence, not confusion. If you find this helpful, please tap like, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe to join our community. Your support helps us reach more seniors who truly need this information to stay safe, informed, and connected. Disclaimer: this video is for information and education only. It is not financial, tax, or legal advice. Always do your own research and speak with a qualified professional before making any major financial decisions. The very first thing you should check on any website is the address bar at the top. The address, or URL, is the digital street address for the website you are visiting. Scammers often create addresses that look almost identical to the real ones, like AmazonDealShop.com. This is a technique called phishing, which means phishing for your personal information by pretending to be someone else. Why does this matter? Because a fake address is a sure sign that the site is not legitimate. A common pitfall is trusting a site just because it uses a familiar logo or the same colors. Always look for misspelled words in the address, like Google with an extra O. Action step: if you are unsure, do not click. Type the brand name directly into a search engine instead. This ensures you are going to the official site, not a trap set by a scammer. Next, look for the padlock icon sitting right next to the website address. This icon tells you that the website has a secure connection using something called an SSL certificate. An SSL certificate is like a secret code that scrambles your information so hackers cannot read it. You can also check if the address starts with HTTPS instead of just HTTP. The S stands for secure, and it is your first line of defense when entering a password. Why does this matter? Without that padlock, anyone on the same Wi-Fi could see your bank details. A common pitfall is assuming the padlock means the site is 100% safe. Today, some smart scammers can buy these certificates too, so we must check other signs as well. Action step: before you click submit on any form, look for that padlock icon or the yes in HTTPS. If it is missing, leave the site immediately and do not enter any personal information. Another big warning sign is a website that creates a sense of extreme urgency. They might use flashing banners or countdown timers to make you feel like you are missing out. Why does this matter? Scammers know that when we rush, we stop paying attention to the details. They want you to act on emotion, not logic, so you will overlook the fake web address. A common pitfall is thinking a limited time offer is a reward for being a loyal customer. Real companies rarely force you to make a $1,000 decision in under 10 minutes. Action step: if you see a timer, take a 5-minute break away from your computer. When you come back, the emergency will feel less intense, and you will see the red flags clearly. This simple pause is often enough to save you from a very expensive mistake. We are just getting started with our scam prevention toolkit, so keep watching. Coming up, we will talk about how to verify a site's trust seals and contact information. But first, let's quickly recap the 3 major signs we have covered so far. Learning to spot these 3 things alone will stop 90% of fake website scams. Look for weird spellings in the web address or URL at the top of the browser. Check for the padlock icon or HTTPs to ensure your connection is scrambled and secure. Beware of extreme urgency or timers that pressure you to buy before you can think. When you stay calm and observant, you are the master of your digital world. If this video is helping you, we'd love to have you subscribe. Every week we share simple, practical tips to help you stay safe, save money, and feel confident with technology after 55. Your subscription keeps this channel free and independent, and helps us reach more seniors in our community who need this most. Now, let's look at something called trust seals, which are those little badges you see at the bottom of a page. They often feature names like Norton, McAfee, or the Better Business Bureau. Scammers love to copy and paste these images onto their fake sites to make them look official. The pitfall here is thinking that just seeing the logo means the site is actually protected. A real trust seal is interactive, meaning you can click on it to see a verification certificate. If you click it and nothing happens, or if it's just a blurry picture, that is a major red flag. Action step. Always try to click the security badge before you enter your credit card information. If it doesn't open a new official window from the security company, you should close the tab. Next, we need to check the Contact Us and About US pages at the bottom of the site. Real companies want you to reach them, so they provide a physical address and a working phone number. Fake sites often have vague descriptions or contact forms that lead to nowhere. The pitfall here is assuming a site is professional because the About Us text sounds sophisticated. Many scammers simply steal text from other websites, which can result in strange grammar or awkward phrasing. Action step. Copy a sentence from their About page and paste it into Google with quotation marks. If that same paragraph shows up on dozens of other sites, you are likely looking at a scam. Now, let's talk about payment methods, which is the most critical part of the transaction. Genuine retail sites will always accept credit cards or secure services like PayPal. Credit cards offer fraud protection, meaning you can dispute the charge if the item never arrives. A major pitfall is using a site that asks for unconventional payments like wire transfers or gift cards. If a website insists you pay with a prepaid card or a wire transfer, it is almost certainly a scam. Once that money is wired or the gift card code is shared, it is gone forever with no way to get it back. Action step. Only shop on sites that use a secure checkout process that you recognize. If the payment page looks suspicious or amateurish, stop immediately and leave the site. We also want to check the domain age, which tells us how long the website has been around. Scammers often set up a site, steal money for a few weeks, and then disappear completely. Why does this matter? Because a site created yesterday, claiming to be a major retailer, is a lie. You can use a free tool called a WHOIS lookup, spelled WHOIS, to see exactly when a site was born. A common pitfall is trusting a site just because it has high-quality photos of the products. Scammers steal these photos from real catalogs, so the images themselves don't prove the site is real. Action step. If a deal looks too good, search for the website name plus scam in a search engine. Other people will often post reviews and warnings if they have been cheated by that specific site. By taking these extra 60 seconds, you are putting up a digital shield around your savings. Now, for our bonus tip, a hidden gem that most people never think to check. Look for the social media icons, usually found at the bottom of the page, like Facebook or Instagram. On a real site, these icons will take you to their active business pages with real followers and posts. On a fake site, the icons often do nothing at all, or they just reload the homepage. It is a small detail, but scammers are lazy and often forget to link these icons correctly. Today, you have learned to check the address bar, the padlock, and the payment methods. You know how to verify trust seals and how to spot a fake About Us story. You are no longer a target. You are a smart, informed digital shopper. Remember, technology doesn't have to be scary when you have the right tools in your hands. You have the power to protect your money and enjoy the convenience of the internet safely. Take it one step at a time, trust your gut, and never feel rushed into a click. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us today. If this helped you, please like and share it with a friend or family member. At Senior Tech and Money, we believe learning never stops. Take care, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video.